Yes, so good evening, guys. Guys, happy weekend. I wanna do now. Weekend things, so enjoyment things. Not such a weekend. Everybody they happy that they enjoy. I call you everywhere good. I just want to quickly drop this one sharply. Sharp. Though I invest small, but I don't want to invest too much. I want my health calm down. Then they talk and say this everything sometimes. When I don't want to use the word, say the word not balance. I don't understand. What other people with this are not balanced. Me, be with me. The way people they reason, get it. Even if you know, like what the person they do, not be always or what rather you they even they talk. If you want even talk, me I prefer you come tell me face to face. You say come, sister, brother, what you know like I don't, what you they do, I don't like them. I know you like them. I don't ever make one video say it's not that easy to dey bold enough to do this social media of 18. It's not easy. Me they see so it don't take, not be today. You don't even reach 5 years or 4 years. Why they say, hey, today one day I will come and they talk, one day I will talk. I want myself to talk with my mind to clear the hair, to say they speak the truth and all those things. Secondly or firstly, now what they give me joy, you understand? As in joy or not, that will just relieve myself. Maybe for example, I did think now, if I don't talk and come and as I talk so, the thing will just relieve me. For real. Everybody not be the same. Everybody get it. You understand? But they baffle me, they pay me, see some people, you're the hey, this person, this man, this woman be your like him, but you can go to talk for social media, not gonna like him. If you don't like him, who you help? Now you carry the person come for you, go Europe. For example, if you don't like say I did talk for social media, so now you carry me come Europe. And they owe you money. Email was one money out there webo. If you don't like him, if he kiss transformer, if you don't like him, you take him like that, you straw pass. The worst way they pay me now, they go see your live video. They don't go even comment, say nice one, or put like, or share your video. They don't go even do anyone. But now they go, they talk, they go, they pop nose, they go say, what did that woman they do? What did that man they do? I don't like her. Why go they talk for social media? Social media is made for everybody, the whole world. If you like, enter, talk what you want to. If you don't want to see enter, not be by force. Nobody they force anybody. And I'm gonna me for one video some months ago. It's not easy to be bold enough to enter live video. Yes, some people want to talk. Don't say they don't sabi speak English or they don't sabi speak broken or Bini or whatever. They'll feel bele anyone when they want bele. But because they're shy, they're not bold enough. Not say shy to talk, but they are not bold enough. They will be thinking of their family repetition, their children, their husband, their wife, a lot of things. That is why they don't want to come out in social media. Anybody, guy, brothers and sisters, anybody come out for social media, I'm gonna give her kudos. I don't fair talk from my live video. I'm gonna go check the live video I don't do. Give her kudos, I'm gonna give her 3 goals. I know easy. You get why? You bring your face, come and you talk, or rather you do black video self. Your voice is easy, make people know your voice. People don't fair know you, they will know your voice. Hey boy, they not by soon, I'm more back your go. You understand me? I'm more back your go. And maybe not best key. You understand? I don't understand people. The way they get a bill. Now you don't know if you face the person directly, you know, can't go the face a family or rather a friend, a brother, a sister. What's it that woman they do? You not go out too much like her, why they talk for social media? Or what's it that man they do? Why they talk for social media? Don't they like her? It concern you now. You can't come Europe. He or she they owe you money. What's the guy or any? If you know one bold enough to talk, she like can I make they do or he like can I make they do? See, they talk say people depressed. A lot of people they depressed in different things, different form. Not what they crazy they go. Who they for that they not be only one they depressed. Some people they don't they for that they wear the best clothes, they know everything correctly, they go fit spend their money, they even go school, pass who go school. Yes, they know what they, but they feel they depressed in different way. Their depression is made of different way. For example, no girl wife, they depressed because they think. Who no girls mind, they depressed, they think. Who girls mind and husband not come they again, they depressed, they think. Who girl wife, and the wife not they again, they depressed, they think. Who get children, maybe the children not come there with them, they're not complete with them because of 1 or 2 reasons. If they're depressed, they think. A lot of things they make us say they're depressed. Who lose the mama and papa, if they're depressed, they think. Who lose the brother and sister, if they're depressed, they think. Depression is not because say maybe you're open, nyash, they work out, they go for streets or rather social media. No, na lie, not believe that one. For now, visiting doctor or therapist, they will tell you and say na true. Say some people they're depressed, but they go wear shirt, wear suit, the best clothes. If you even see them say you the thief, they jealous they. If you ask them their name, ask them anything, they go know correct, they not go mistake. But they get one thing that they think, that thing they make them they depressed. For God's sake, a lot of people, social media, they all can't talk with it, they pain them, or rather, anything they see for social media, they also comment, or rather talk put. Their depression will see heal that day. As people they enter river, they'll kill themselves because of the problem they get. So they jump, enter train. Me, I don't see people. This is not the person tell me why they IT. You jump, enter train station, enter train, you jam my grand down like say na tomorrow, no day, like say na powder. You understand me? At the end of the day, people will not gonna say she did depressed, that I make. It did depressed, that I make. You know, he had no come, what happened to run a long story, see what he do, see what he not do, see what he wife doing, see what he husband doing, see what he picking doing. He could not hold it again. I said, we black, kudos to us, we too much, we too get swag, we too get heart, our heart na won't shout this shit. Our heart, I don't know what to describe our heart, no matter what, we too day, God to create our heart. Or you don't do like that, forget that thing. Or you don't feel too much think of something, but you they smoke, you go, they drink, they throw away pants for train station, for ban off, they naked, they sleep for ground, inside cold, you go sleep for ground, you will they see you, they shock. You they shock, you they resist, I might be this one for inside, I might be this one for inside this school, you're the inside cold, sleep for ground, Jesus. Depression, nobody say not get house. They go even give a house, they say not go carry depression. I know say some of the worst pass each other sick, but depression, the pass each other to the extent say you come to that person the for go the craze to the extent you sleep for train station, or you come to do any of the misbehave people come to say the craze. Some day mature, they be say you know go talk and come, people not go even know whether they depressed, but because what happened to them, they think. And the only thing to take heal is self, for example. You don't want to die. You don't want to go for river. You don't want to leave picking where they take care of. You don't want to go for inside what they call a train. Or you don't want to take medicine make kill yourself. Or you don't want to do drastic things to yourself. All he or she want to just do to see they talk like people see they talk for social media, make the thing for they calm down, make the thinkness for they calm down. If you reason like sit down saying they bored, she they bored. Also can I just say tale nek be mekwa or tale no wabe da mekwa. Or talk with I see for social media today, or talk with I just pass through today. Anything at all. Anybody will go there, go view the way he or she talk. You will see people come and say, this woman, this man, actually they talk will get points for you. You understand me? I paro small, but I want you to hide my paro. I want you to hide my annoyance based on one or two reasons. You understand me? Because I want you to hide them because of one or two things. What is some people they talking that your sister, that your brother be like come, but not may not they do social media again, not good. It concerns you. Now your phone they do now your what do they call it data they do now you they pay light bill or what it call a wifi. You know, cause if you want to make you do she or he they both enough to make it do because you know they both enough make you no one do. Yes, you they say you want to think of your family background make you no one do. But person they wait see the people they do they think oh this you who person want to make the cause the family nobody. So why you not step on anybody's toe if you do your social media? Don't step on anybody's toes. Like me, I never step in anybody's toes. Except say maybe for example they talk person for social media say hey this person you see what you do the whole world they talk about if I can't see look social media I can't see say this person the whole world they talk about since me see they talk me see talk my own opinion finish if they don't talk about me way not I just carry person come and they talk never. I get many pictures from my phone person send for me they think I bring the come but I don't bring. I get many audios as in many what they call this thing with the record give me say make I take me I plan for live video make I just do one. I they say no, I don't need that. Get why? I know you don't need that stress. And second, that person self, you not do me anything. I go even call the person self, say, how far? The person say, you not do anything. Mommy. Go and sleep. Sorry. Okay, sorry. My nose don't wake my baby again. Oh, what me will live video. I will mommy. I will everyone. Okay, oh sorry, sir. As you children, I'll be here. I go start to talk because I want even see him down, so I don't talk which I want your talk finish. I don't need to detail, you know. So I just think and the paro. You understand me? The thing you're the I just see person or rather I just see person family. I beg what is that I be you like your sister or I be you like your brother. Why they talk for live video? Why they talk? You're not supposed to talk. It concern you, they owe you money. The person they owe you money. Now you carry the person come Europe. Everybody there in one day. And they forget one thing, say, forget the person they talk or person don't talk. As far as the person don't insult one out, kind like that. Not be only that one because of TikTok. Guys, I will be back again maybe later or tomorrow. Let's see, they call for my video and A very important call. I'll be back again. I never finished what I want to talk, but I need to talk. But I will be back again later or tomorrow. Bye, guys. Thank you.